Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, so you're going to hear from a young man who's from Kingston 11 year, Cockburn Pen, and he's telling you, about his 18 months of misery. That, former Assistant Commissioner of Police Derek Cowboy Knight, Arsmouth, Clapping Knight, trying to shake him now, arrest and charge him for coke, for a key of coke. And, he says during the time that he was arrested for it, we know, and we can't tell you this, very rare a man commit a crime and say that he's guilty. He's always innocent. So that's what he's saying. But he's saying, based on one and two little things what really happened, we as a detective, we know the background of Cowboy and how Cowboy and Ox operate. It's unfortunate, but based on what we have known about this man, we have to give this man the caller the advantage over him. He has more credibility than Cowboy because Cowboy is a narcissistic person. And we say that without any apology. The man is a pathological liar. You understand? And not only that man, you're going to hear some things about this man. You cannot believe the big assistant farmer, even when he's an assistant commissioner of police, he would come to Philadelphia to hold dance gate. Really? What kind of friend them that you have? That you, as a big assistant commissioner of police, you're hold dance gate for common boy. Really, man. But the only thing that you're going to hear some things, because number one, although we're not friends with them, we never want any harm to come to them. Because I rather God, you understand what I'm saying? These people are wicked still, They destroy a lot of lives. They try to destroy even ours. But who God bless, no man curse. Because we don't run behind people. I want a big friend. Anything we say, we mean what we say, and we do whatever we say we are going to do. That's the kind of person. So I want you to listen to this conversation that we're having with this man who was arrested and charged by Cowboy for possession of cocaine. If Cowboy wants to know, he can come here, yes, and defend himself. And we have no problem to entertain him. Yeah, man, any police that said Jamaican Young Police Channel is lying on them. Because we have the facts and all of them things there. So anyone who wants to come, you come and we entertain the car. Obviously, you watch, you listen, and you decide. You decide if this man is honest, trustworthy, and truthful. You do that. That's you, the audience members. Alright, so moving on to the conversation that we have with this man who was arrested by Cowboy and charged with possession of cocaine. One key.
realize he's a man there, the unspear there, you see me?
Yeah, man. I mean, Bobby reduce the work.
You see me? I wonder if you're there for one raid one time with cowboy in a Cockburn pen, like half Endermagan, 4 Endermagan. I don't know if you did that on the raid, they will come in and pick up you and say him find a key or coke.
Yeah, somehow I remember that. Because I want to with me and them thing, I'm not tell lie on people.
No, man, I listen to your facts, brother. I want to tell you to say, yo, what cowboy do to me. You see me? Yeah. Man know my mother good and come in at the yard like them time the computer them they are around and you see me?
Oh, that before computer dead?
Yeah. You see me? But them come in from Endermark and then me and my mother they are reason me I drink some porridge star and forgot work them time them I work over D&G on a contract, you see me?
Yeah.
And thing and the man come in a whole heap of them and brother, my mother said police. I said, come my back turn. You see me? My mother said police. I said, yeah, tell me about police. After me no gunman I wanted, man. Me no busy with police. You see me?
Yeah.
I want to tell you, so the man carry 7 away. Out of the 7, me are the youngest one and the only one I work. And you know, say me get locked up.
4.
The man not say me with key or coke, man.
So you did have coke for you?
What kind of coke, Ella? You don't know nothing about no coke, man.
So what happened? So him charge you for the coke?
That may I tell you, they are jail. They are jail for I do 8 days unspear.
So him never charge you?
Yeah, man, me I tell you something dead and 3 police call me outside and I say, yo, charge of the coke, you know. You see me? As you them time about 22.
Which year was that?
02.
Okay.
You see me?
No, Mono did it. 02 me the leave on him thing. Because me and him did kick off in my ox. Because I told him a thief, you know.
Oh, yeah, man, I know, man. Because I know as somebody who know good man. Because them time that him there with the umbrella sister up in a tower, you see me?
Yeah, man, talk the bad man, the Dan sister scandal. What?
You know what go on, King.
They never used to, me tell a man, him used to live at oil, you know. Which police you know can live at them the place? You have to be a part of a criminal network to live there.
Fam, I want to tell you something, I give you a vibe.
And a country him come from and them thing, I like him come from up there. And me come from jungle and more sleep from a left jungle, from 87 and go training school. Me never sleep back at jungle or Jonestown. I go and look for my family, them and them thing. I not even at night catch me there.
John, no, me I tell you, the man have me a court house up and down, starts me a court and I tell me, say, yo, you go deal with liar, him if I come deal with poor my mother and I have nothing, we are struggler. Extort, the man want extort me.
So in charge of your key or coke?
Yeah, but what go on now, when we go to court, me take it to trial. To tell you the real truth, take it to trial with a judge named Martin Gale.
Yeah.
You know that judge, though?
Yeah, man, I know him, man, and him wear glasses.
And that judge free me up, King. Deal with him a way.
So where him get the coke from?
Here what me get for understand, says he'd have a brother who live in the yard where me deliver name, Fabo. Zine?
Yeah.
They usually sell weed, so it's like them I say him have a false key where must go craft a man. Must in the tile it around at the back where them must go around and go find cause me no know. Me no see, me no have a clue about it cause me tell you Ella a ball me play, me no criminal, you see me?
Yeah.
Me play for Olympic garden and thing, me no criminal. And work. As me tell you say, I'm here a 7 away, I'm here the youngest one and the only one I work and I'm here the only one get locked up.
So why? Okay, so him never find it with you and him thing and you him get?
No, in here me I tell you from me, I'm working clothes and everything, man. The man them when me reach on speed, the man them pop off me ID and fling it out the door, man.
Who do that?
Me don't know which one of them do it, hell, to tell you the God Almighty truth.
No, man,
You see me?
I wasn't there, because 2002, you know, me depend leave on them thing there.
Okay, but me know him definitely cowboy, him did the case, that him did not try pressure me and not try extort me, you see me?
So I mean, what
I never give him $1.
He want you give money?
Yeah.
So what him say to you?
The one man see me a court, man. Every time I make there a court, man, him put it off, man. So one time him see me a court with a lawyer, brother, top lawyer. The man I tell me, say, yo, you go talk to lawyer and you know, come talk to me. And me if you talk to you have money to get lawyer. Yeah. But during them time now, him see him brother-in-law, Dan.
Yeah.
Know me. And me I show Dan what I go on. Says like Dan page him and show him, say, dog, free up the youth. The brother, a trial me and the man carry it go. Trial when him say him not get $1. You see me? So when the case comes to boom and try up and reach see trial now, it's like him comes up boom. And no one turn up, so Martin Gale call him. Tell somebody to call him and them tell him say him there Moby and the man tell him say yo me give you half hour for reach, you know. You see me? He must trolling because the man knows that. The man shame him like a dog, man.
So in the same day Moby?
Yeah. And then the man make him know say a half hour me give you to come here. Because the man know them a liar. The man I tell him in front of him face, man, say yo, no for uno. Prison people pick the wrongfully, you know. Martin Gale I tell him that me Ella. Alright, give sweet a joke than that. Me got Philly. See? And him there Dan door. A Dan party. Cause him there the party every year, you know. One party where Dan keep down there, see?
So hold on. What you mean that him a collect him a gate man?
Yeah man, him a gate man down there 2 months sometime, man. Zin, so when me come to boom and I go in now.
Dan the shot you will look like scare.
What do you feel like it's no, Dan that something the brother, you know. Scandal brother. You see me?
Yeah.
Remember 3 brother of them, you know. Dan pump up and scandal, you know.
Yeah.
See? So me still say now boom and I go in at the party. And when me I go in at the party, me I show my wife. Say, yo, him lock me up in and look how him act like him not know me. Me I show my wife, say, yo, look on him. So him a move like him never see me yet. In a glad and so me I show my wife, say, yo, a criminal. Him a criminal. Cause him sister now him gunless and him know a foreign this. And him know a Philadelphia that we know say people head bust in a second down there.
But although him that Philly and him thing there still, remember same connection I Philly high, you know, big, you know, so and I like him a ordinary man in a Philly too, you understand?
Fam. Them there I just 2 man not depend on certain things, fam, you see me? And I care what kind for them fam link with them under we not figure this, you see me? Yeah. Them the head can bust, man. I just people not free them, man, you see me? Big man thing. People not free them, hell. But I just show you when me I listen to a program and me hear you say them are thief and wicked. That's why I'm really reach out to you and I show you say, yeah, that's a fact, sis. I know that for a fact, you know, with him, you see me?
So long your case went on for?
1 year and 6 months, you know. 1 year and 6 months.
So what happened during the trial?
The last day when the last time when him come, when the something that me, like the judgment me know say yo, my free and thing, you see me?
No, so him never give evidence in the case?
Him not no evidence.
No, me say if him never give evidence in the case.
Like to bring the stuff where him say him hold me with?
Yeah.
No, him not bring nothing, cause him not have nothing for sure.
So how him charge it then? Because he charge somebody.
Like me here say it was flour, me here say it was a false key, cause me tell you say I hear. Me no know, me no see nothing.
So that
me no know nothing about that, you see me?
So that mean I switch it then, man.
Who to tell? I don't know.
You charge a coke and a court no come a court or you no come with the surfer ticket and them thing there.
Brother, every time I read, I go to court for 1 year and 6 months, man. I'm tell us a whole heap of put off. You see me? Till it reach trial. Want to tell us how it's set up when I come to boom and go to the, I get lock up the Tuesday. I go court like what? I go court, I get lock up the Tuesday and then I go court the Monday. And the Monday when I go court and I explain to the judge what I go on and thing. The judge grant the bail and say if me not get no bail by Wednesday, my mother for come back up there and thing. It end up me come out the Wednesday. The Navy they all want carry me come off. Carry me go. Yeah, brother, one day it's a drama, but me just give thanks and me free up. I try for sure say I just day in my car I drive to the area and put it on YouTube and area talk about them and I say, God, no, you know, so I have to reach out to them and say, yo, I fax him attack because in the time in there, I know you, but I don't know you. You understand? Because I hear your name, you and Bobby read them. You see me?
Yeah, man, because me and Bobby work for years on them thing there.
Yeah, man, me's a youth from Olympic Garden, so you see me, I say? I know the territory, and me hear in the call and name Benji. I wonder if a Benji usually ride bicycle. Are that Benji there you talk?
Yeah, man, him see.
Slim Benji where him used to live in that a while too.
Yeah. But him a Romed still, you know?
Yeah, man. I don't know Benji good, man.
Want to Marvin?
Which Marvin?
Marvin from Grasscliff Blade. Indian Marvin,
Marvin never did that prison, man. I'm blind and them sitting in me there, man.
I lie. What you mean him blind?
I hear say I'm go blind, man.
Oh.
Either I'm sick or something like that, you know?
Then we shut up him brother now. Him brother name again? The fat one.
If you get to it, I know we are talk, man.
Then we shut him up at Chisholm Avenue.
At which year that? I left yard from 07 still, you know.
I think I must. I don't remember him brother name right now still, you know. But I know so him fat.
I know him brother still. I know who we are talking.
I'm fat in there, you too.
Yes.
But Marvin supposed to come out of prison by now.
I don't think so, you know. I'm with a year still, I don't think so. Last thing me hear about him, I hear say like him they go blind.
Bombard. A retribution that Rasta.
You see me? Because you know Marvin and Pewter usually step.
Oh, so you did that then tell him kill computer in the morning?
I'm there from Bargang the morning, man. It's a Saturday morning, man. From Bargang them time. I'm tell you some is a youth play for Olympics, you see me?
Yeah.
And I tell you, so the man know all them things that we know, man. And I tell you, so dog, the man knows so my mother is a sufferer, you know, man. The man I try. Prison, my dog, I try, you know?
I try to start, yeah.
Yeah, man. They end up the run and unspeed, man. They are the wickedest day of my life, man.
Rough, don't it? Because around the dirty and all the thing there.
Virgin, I go to the Tuesday, I not ride the bike until the Sunday. And I ride the bike. Matter of fact, I never ride the bike to tell you the honest truth, me Ella. I just, them me did it. I in my cell because guess what now? I have a police virgin with the name Rick, you see me? A brown youth and thing. So it's like me did it and thing. Him come give me a little visit and thing and the visit to him give me end up nice up the whole place, you see me?
With what? With what? Him bring some things some gear.
You see me? Nice up the place and thing and so it's end up the Sunday now me come so boom and eat some food. Cause me not eat them food so me get a visit from my parents them and me eat some hard food that end up we did go bathroom already and I still never ride the bike. So the hard food I'm going to eat now, it come down for me is a scandal, but me have to draw for you see me?
Gloves not. And a man want to go to jail, Rasta.
Go away, man. Brother, I tell a man, say, brother, I don't wish this stuff for my worst enemy, dog. You see me? Because me there and the showering thing, brother. The two sides of the wall, I'm a pay more so you see me have to side on and brother.
So why them not clean it?
Why I don't know,
Cause
King?
prisoner them supposed to clean it then.
I don't know, make them not clean it, brethren, but then I hear that when me down the brethren, oh, two, man. Brother, tell a man, say, brethren, me don't know man love jail that.
So what money that jail I once be? Come on, a man tell me so when him got jail there and them thing there. One youth and he must say him have to tell the man him say, yo, say, hey, me am a supporter of family, you know, and that's how them ease off him and them thing. Because man want him spin all use him shirt and fan them and all them thing. That's true?
Yeah, them thing that go on, man. Yeah, man, them thing that me see them thing that go on with all man come in and man all at plastic and a drop on him and them thing there, see me? Me there in the one night when some police carrying a brother and them say, yo, him rape a little girl and thing, brother. A whole night the man I get beaten, brethren. Whole night the man I get beaten and thing a drop on him and them thing there, see me?
Rose not.
But what is so good about it, God, it just great. When me end up down there, me have a brethren. Where, as me sure you say, I'm a brethren, but them youth there attack man, him drop there now, still a youth from Delacree Lane, you see me?
Which youth?
A youth of the name Marshall. Them youth there, me and them youth that grow, you know, go school together certain way. And, you know, them youth that know me a baller, them do for them thing, but
yeah,
me
man.
a baller.
Yeah.
More my own, you see me I say, King?
So
we are youth, we have a mind of our own, you see me I come from?
True, man.
You see me? We grew up in a towel and pen, and most of the youth them we are do it and thing. We are them a virgin, we are them grow, but them are do them. You see me? And we just focus on ball, you see me?
I suppose me tell you say all of the years of me that me can't the only two places somebody never shoot off of me and them thing there. A Towile and one place named Falcon and Seaview.
Yeah, I know. I hear about this. I'm not really too fancy Seaview neither still in a King.
Me I tell you that I only two places nobody never shoot off of me that ones be. Everywhere else people shoot off of me.
Jaja.
Yeah, man, me I tell you.
Because I not like we as youth still on the name ring bell different from Ox and Cowboy, you know. Bobby Reds and Porter, you know.
Yeah, man.
And one other one named Gunter.
True.
You see me?
I don't like you tell them thing. Cause them come the after we and them thing there, you know. Them come the after we.
Seen. You can remember when we did as youth and on a ride on a bicycle too, man.
True. That I for real.
I remember on the man. You see me I say when I keep the place calm, man. Kind of phone time up here, wild man did that, but at least now up here look you them time they are the big man. Up here big man are bad like, you know.
You did have some youth and them thing there, especially
1 and 2 youth I get wild, yes, but during them time they never stay so like no we have a youth wild and nobody never couldn't talk to no youth,
man,
you see me?
For real, man.
You see me I say?
Boy, hey, may I tell you, man, me tell a man say them thing there, if any police live at Towile, you have to connect it to the criminal underworld. And the man used to live, the man part, the man part, remember say, I hope them living up. And this, when the man done working at Towile, the man drive going up. All the police call me and I tell me, say I lie, I tell lie on the man for, what, because yeah, you understand? Yeah, man, the man have a vehicle park up there, and a big police vehicle and them thing, they park on Tower Avenue.
Man, they're criminal for real,
and yet, and my first somebody for kill an ex man and them thing then.
Which is true, man. A whole heap of youth, a whole heap of family life, them wreck, man. A whole heap of mother, them make ball, man.
Because this youth our name Yellow, when my Pilly Blacks it shot Yellow and him and Ox them, you know, since them come and unspear them know Pilly Blacks, you know. I know Pilly Blacks before me a police, you know.
Right.
You understand? Yeah, I just because me different from them, you know. Them licky and them thing there, you know.
Seen.
Yeah, man. The whole of them, you know, see. When him...
Is a man still in them? Listen to you at the time still in them in the 3-4 time when you put out that thing. Is a man listen to you in the car? I say, true, Maria, there is an honest man, and I say, you dig up the corruption. My day as a man know, I'm just stay and listen and I say, blood clot. Sorry for the indistant, you see me? That's I said, John no star, you know. It's really corrupt to see a man with the dung that in a them and can expose them now to the world to make people know how corrupt the system is, you see me?
Well, and of them get all like promotion too, you know.
As facts, man. Then when I say all them in a brown uniform and me I sell upon all them criminal
All right, you understand? Because I don't know if you ever hear about one youth named David will come from out of White Wing.
Ella, I'll pulp when me hear you talk about, you see me?
Yeah.
But you know what shocked me? I'm going to tell you something what shocked me. And the man where you mention touch pulpit kind of, you see me?
Oh, Burrow. We kill pulpit.
Come here and say, yo, so long them youth there rain and I go and be a criminal activity and still I go rain.
Yeah, man, and him don't rain. Him don't then our man switch from PMP and turn Labour right, and them have him down there. You know, say first me hear a man switch from PMP to Labour right.
It's crazy, man. I just know how the underworld set up now, man. You see me?
Because him can go back to, you know, because you know, say him man kill all him daughter, grandfather, you know, man.
Man, I don't care about who he want. Man, I'm not partial, man.
I don't know how him live so long. Well, he must serve purpose to him, man. Them at them town why them have him down there for so many years, you know.
But them two man they call still the two brother them out of Painland, you see me? Out of Painland, White
Wing, Pulpy and Davy.
Usually pass them as youth that go to 3 mile to a bank and them thing, but we are youth in a two, you see me?
But Pulpy are not a bad man or Davy I just can't.
None of them, man. Davy was a real admiral, man.
Big time, you understand? I bully them corrupt up Pulpy and them thing there, you know. Get Pulpy stepson for start kill people and pay me, you understand? Cause him the money them always got through. And I see him bully them so make him dead and them thing there, so them kill him.
Okay.
Time did come up at a while, you know, and this one party one Saturday night and this some man up there, you know.
Well, just be approving his brethren in the ghetto, you know. Just be approving a man make $1 him say man they done know him just go buy a beer gun, you know. A man now say yo when them did that and suffer with no youth buy 2 visa, help some youth elevate for some help them family just beer. But the youth them down the stand, enough of the youth them now no mind of them own still, you see me?
Them are organic robot man. Cause them feel like them feel like them immune to the rules of the game. You understand? And them not realize say boy an idea did I go dead, you know. You go prison.
No other way out, man.
Yeah, man. You understand?
No other way out in a king. That's what I say.
Yeah.
If we is a youth, they just follow certain footsteps. Me have an uncle where, you know my uncle too, if me fi mention him, you see me?
Who that?
Hombre named Chico.
What happened to him?
You know Chico from Painland?
Yeah, man. What happened to him?
I must say him the drop out, man. Out of your circle, man. From the big robber there. With him and the police, them and sitting there, man. Remember, Chico was the brother from Painland. Trinity shoot him, you know. And doctor cut off him foot and in the wind the last suit.
Against Trinity?
But my grandmother usually sell right out at 3 miles, right at the station, you know, man. At Orange and Banana, a short fat lady there, you know.
With the style and them thing there?
Yeah, man.
Them still there, they move them?
They move them, man, long time, man. My grandmother will drop out, you know, one thing, man.
My condolences, man. So the government, did compensate them?
No, sir.
So I for them land, Why? Jamaica, hey, in the 90s still, you know, Cockburn, in the 90s, Cockburn Pen, one of the nicest place, you know. Cockburn Pen Tower. You understand?
Cockburn Pen Tower, man.
Yeah, man, you can't, them telling me a police and them thing, me and Bobby, you know, you could have walked guy in the party and them thing there. You understand?
True.
You understand?
You mentioned you mentioned all the next police what they name, what him name, Dangerous brother, man, from down him Towel to Waters, him walk, man. When him go for him lose, well, him they get on suspension, is a man and I left him knife. Man.
Oh, you thought newbie?
Newbie.
Yeah, man.
Bad boy.
Yeah, man, for real. Newbie, yeah man, yeah man. I want thing him very respectful and them thing there. Newbie, when him a talk about people, I saw him call, you understand?
Yeah, man, me hear you mention some name and me I say, yo, that brother here, you know, blessings, you see me?
Yeah man, Newbie.
Yeah man, I'm veteran in our place,
yeah man. You wanna order then Newbie go Constant Spring and you don't have
man, a brave man.
Oh yeah, so man, then three boy, between Jews and Marvelina commit robbery and them thing there. And you be dressed up like woman man and kill them.
Yeah, man. Brave man.
Bad.
Yeah man, when me hear you mention some police, so yeah, say, yo, Jamaica now them police they again real crime fighter for true. Jamaica done man.
Well, Peter Phillips mash it up, you know. If I look here between me and you. You know, say first. You know, say you're the first man to call me and me and you talk. Cause normally them call me that them start cuss me say me a labor right. Because although me born and grow up PMP community, me never live in a labor right community, you know, but me just start the truth. Cause me not go tell no lie for nobody. Because if we want Jamaica to change, you know, we have to be honest. You understand? Yeah man, me I tell you, I'm not go tell no lie for nobody and them thing there, just me. You understand? So the bottom line is that and them thing then. I have never lived in a labor community, so I can't tell you what me in a tower in the 70s. You understand? Me never lived there. Me never live a Rima. The first time I got a Rima, you understand? Anytime I a police. The first time I got a Tivoli, when me a police. You understand?
Yeah.
But me can't tell you so when me I grew up on them thing. The people them a Rima never trouble with a Jonestown. Our people, I PMP them, and them start the problem. And them want to kill off. Me I tell you. Then I tell you, you understand? My family will get involved in it and them thing and since when me become police now me start talk to them and them thing and I say, hey, look here, you know, see how madness the people them have on and do and them thing. You want to kill people for them going to power for get vote. But them want to boy when name Tony Spalding win election by 100 and something people, so them have to kill at least 200 odd people for win the next election. What kind of madness that? I want to feel say that's a good thing.
Crazy man. I say a whole heap of things as youth, man. Whole heap of things I say, man. As youth, man. Them time they win all the politics, the red man, when all push of them a step back in ideas, man. Serious man, with Jerry Paul up them and some serious things I say as youth, man. You see me?
Well, we give thanks on them things still. So when you say cowboy, what you say to him?
Him not go say nothing to me, I'm not go say nothing to him, but I just look on him and show my wife, show my wife, say, yo, a devil that, you see me?
Maybe him not even remember you and them thing there. No?
Him know me, him know me good.
Oh, cause you say know your mother and them thing there. But,
yeah.
But they not forget a basket for carry water. I saw them still doing on it. You can't talk to them, you know. Yeah, man. Uncle some man can't talk to them and them thing. That's why you say uncle like scandal on them man, they can't talk to them. Yeah, man.
Yeah, them no family them, man.
Scandal and pump up. But pump up, why? But no sincere pump up woman and son dead or something like that.
Yeah, his son dead about a couple years, but the woman crashed and dead.
But she and one of her daughter and son dead too.
One of her son. 2 sons she get, man, and the 2 of them drop, man.
Yeah, she come from Waterhouse.
No, man, Glade she come off, man.
Where Glade she come from?
Yeah, man. I'm a little virgin sister, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man, the pair, them come off a really, she live on Glade, but them really family structure off a Pelican, you know?
Oh, Pelican Parade. Hey, want to Fatawin?
Fatawin, they are England.
Me did you say I'm blind one time, true?
That made a year too, you know? That made a year too, I'm a cripple or something like that, you know?
And then you have one next one named Papa Dooley. In the back of America?
Yeah, man.
The man they rape are still doing it. Yeah, man, him did rape off a little girl, man. I saw him run away on him thing there, you know. But you know, say the man deal with that friend on him thing there, and a deal he can get the case, so you know. I saw make him get through. Papa Dooley.
Daily drop out?
Yeah, man, let me kill Daily, man. Daily dead from 2007, you know. Yeah, man, them kill him on a Brook Valley, man. But him kill one of the boys still and shut up on next one. A 4 boy, 3 of them dead and 1 die in prison.
Oh.
The last.
Daily them they mash up over the park.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Black Daily and them thing there.
Yeah, man. Me didn't hear about it, man. I just come up, man.
Yeah, man. 2007. You know, say man, Philip Blacks the tight and them thing there.
Daily. Another man that they didn't get to a board half girl in the get you know.
Man, me I tell you, boy, the man I love a little dirty fit in them, you know, man.
Dangerous boy, that man. Daily, terrorist, man.
So what I'm to 2-year-old?
Yeah, me usually just see them man then as police now. Never hear bad about 2-year-old them still, isn't it?
Yeah, man, 2-year-old a big soup now, man.
See, I remember one of them name, Little Oxford and the Liquid. Must have one time them they lick him with.
No, man, Little Ox still about, man.
I never Little Oxford and the Liquid. Them that say.
Oh yeah, Anna Walter, my brother tan, them brother tan, you the youth when him Gata. Him dey on the channel, you know, that youth used to power with me.
Them they kill him like myself for Walter also.
No man.
And Maxfield, something like so.
Half Walter, half Spanish Town. Now Browns, them kill him down at Brownsland. A police would kill him. Yeah man.
Yeah, cause they bring a little fuss one at a time.
That's true, man.
They bring a little fuss one at a time for sure.
A police would kill him, man. It dep on the channel, man. Him name him dep on it, man. And I'm a youth and them thing. That was like my brother.
Yeah, cause in a full time, man. Bobby Rexham time, man.
Yeah, man. Then I want to tell you, say, two of the murder them Bobby charged with that, man. Bobby did go out, you know, you understand? Because, you know, I treat them, they charge Bobby for 3 murder, you know. Them say I kill too much labor, too much PMP.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man, and charge him, you know. For nothing, you know. Just that, you know. Because, you know, say him no ramp on them thing there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, but with, as you, man, and Bobby them a come through tower, man, and thing, man. Place quiet, man.
Yeah, them charge Bobby for 3 counts of murder, so say I kill too much PMP. And you know, say them remember saying, you know, in a Huntsville police area, 99% of the community them are PMP, so who will kill them, you understand?
Yeah, because it's surrounded by PMP community for real.
Yeah, man.
Huntsville.
Yeah, you understand? Uncle Towell alone up there, sir, labor right up a compound, and nobody up at them the place and no get trouble. Them the man up there, sir, them the rob, them the broke house, them the rape people. You understand? There's no reason for police go raid. You go raid Towell when you have so many problems at other places. Unless you understand, unless a problem you want to create.
Some places always nice. The foreigner them and do them thing and party and the place nice too.
Yeah, man. Let's tell a man. Towell.
90s is nice, man.
Yeah, man. Towell compound and place name. And even Capburn pretty nice then and them thing there with in time 2 body debout and them thing there.
Yeah. And 2 bar keep him stage show and them sitting there, you know.
And I see.
Place is nice too, man.
Yeah, man, boy, I just saw it go, my brother, but we just wanted come back on them thing. PMP, they mash up Jamaica, you know. May I tell you that, you know, cause...
Oh, you think it can come back, King?
Well, if Andrew Holness have to be like Siaga and them thing, because Siaga was like a dictator, you know. Siaga...
No, for deal with the legislation, them serious, man, like the bail-lock and them thing, and the gun-lock and them thing, and bringing hanging and certain thing back.
All right, well, that would be the first. Siaga, the last man who hang in the body of Jamaica, you know, so I just saw it.
Yeah, man, I'm bringing them things that start.
Yeah, but the PMP them dismantle the justice system, you know. They make man get all 4 and 6 years for murder. Because remember, say most of the people them at Jamaica will commit crime, you know. If you do them background, you know, PMP them connected to, you know. Sure, between me and them thing, just be realistic. Tell me one name brand, one criminal at Jamaica where convict for any name brand criminal and them thing. Tell me one where labor right now where they are prison. Joel and them man are labor right. Black man on a labor right. Tesha Miller on a labor right. Vibes Cartel on a labor right. And we can go on. Even the boy when name White Knight on a labor right.
Jaja. It's crazy for real. When you check it out, it's crazy.
That's why them not hang, that's why the PMP them not hang the body, car 98% of people them that were on death row after the Michael Manley wing. PMP them aligned to the PMP criminal organization.
Jaja.
Everything we see I gonna have, you know, we see I gonna have in place, you know, that was keeping Jamaicans safe. As the PMP them coming up over them dismantle it, at them water down everything, you know. If I never see I go, you know, Jamaica, that mash up long time, you know, from Indicom Act, you know. Yes, man. The PMP, the only thing the PMP know for do is create criminals. That's all. You laugh, me I tell you that straight. The only thing them know for do is create criminals. Them don't know for create job. Them don't know for make community safe. You understand? Only thing them know for do is create criminal and them thing there. Yeah, and the PMP they love. Hey, look here. All right, now at 2023, you think of it? All right. Just stick. All right. Well, there's no man at all. There's no man in a tower where convicted for murder and them thing there and get parole. You know, some the boy when him Danville Palmer, you know, cause Jonestown me come from, you know.
Yeah.
Danville Palmer. I will only for people him killing. That I boy last week where the man in my matches lane shut up. Yes. You think if I Andrew Wallace in a match with Danville Palmer, you think said TVJ and CVM would have made that slide? You think they would have made that every day that the funny thing I show you say my match with murderer?
Okay.
So you never know that.
You know?
Them design, but that is what they're there for, to destroy the poor people.
Yeah.
You understand?
And those poor people always feel it over the years, man.
Yeah, but
until now, man.
Yeah, but the whole
of get worse, man, because the youth them now look on the past and say, yo, the past a disaster. So why them want to bring the present in a disaster, you know?
No, because of them mother too. And them mother, if them mother instilling at them, say, look here, the only way you come out of this place, this out of ghetto, is reading, education. You understand? Remember, in I get to them tell us, why once you start the good at school, them I tell us, say you start, and you speak properly, then say you turn bottom man, don't it?
Yeah.
So you saw them do it, them program it because them don't want you to be educated, them want you to be dumb, and them control you and them decide what you do for your life. You don't decide that. So that's why a man like me.
I know, sir, to be realistic as a ghetto youth, if you check it still, you know, if you look on the reality of it, you know, most youth, enough of the youth, them a drop out in a life or go bad, you know, bad through their mother, you know.
Yeah, man, them mother encourage them, man.
Some of them encourage and some of them, when that say no way, them dead as youth, and she say, yo, and them becomes the father for them house as a youth, and them have to provide for them mother.
The breadwinner.
You see me I say, and that make enough youth go up on the street to king. You see me I say, but as me I sure say, that could have drawn me out as youth, you know, but we are youth with more firm, we keep it to always believe in me I tell you, we are youth with it foreign minded, to be honest, because our father come a foreign when we are little youth, so we are pretty foreign.
So him never did send phone?
No. You see me?
So where him there now?
Him there Canada same way, man.
So him not help none of him kid them?
No, sir. Him get 2 away, 3 away, but 1 away. Mother did take her when she look up it and she there. So, and me and my next brother, him never too, you see me, but, you know, him send back things now and then for me. Him never send back for my next brother, because each one of the youth, them are different mother.
You see
So, you don't know back in them days, enough man just got foreign and never say, fuck you out there, man.
That's true, man. Some of them are real dirty, man, you know.
So, you know, let us know, say, yo, him do film part and know, say, yo, I eat that, me never do medicine, you see me, because we becomes a man now have one family and know, say, yo, we have to take care of our family, you see me?
I'm better than him by far, man.
So, that way I do what I try if you know, say, yo, we don't make fit him mistake be our downfall, you see me?
True.
We use that to motivate us, you see me, I say? I look on it and say, yo, my father not set or my mother not set no foundation for me. Me no want their son not set no foundation for my youth. And it's like I feel my youth them, so I have to set foundation for them.
So all the youth them there?
Yeah, man, I get 3 youth, yes, man. I get a youth a yard, but filing fear and realize it's a tight jacket, you see me?
Oh, so, okay, when she go do the DNA.
Yeah.
Oh.
And thing, you see me?
Mm.
But me didn't the youth life see me and the youth just cut me and so I said, you know, me not stress it, you know. Me focus on the one that me there and say, you see me?
Oh, okay. Boy, I saw it going. You don't know, I saw Jamaica go. I saw Jamaica go. All the man get jacket, you know.
Brother, them I say 70%, but to me a 90%. Yeah, man.
Actually, hey, Jamaica woman, and them lie to you know. Don't the mother tell us say don't the mother tell us say you are the father see me, you know.
Virgin, up till now the girl I tell people say yo, and my wife tamper with DNA test. Poor my wife never know when me go do DNA test.
Well, hey, I saw them stay, man, and them lie to you. Hey,
bad man.
Yeah, man. Me have a brother, you know. Him in the police, you know. Same thing him go through like you know. So him file for his son, him having a 30 year, you know. And a 4 time the man do DNA, you know, and the 4 time he say on a female, you know. And you know, say kill it, you know, say the mother say, oh, say, and no other man, and the man say, look here, we are big people doing them thing there now. Who are the boy father? She say, oh, you are him father. You understand?
Brother, probably she near herself never know neither.
Yeah, but she must know who she get the niggle to, you know.
No, sometimes some of them are girls 3, 4 minutes in a natty. If I did 2, it would have bad and not too bad enough, she could have known, say, a time, you see me? From an area time. That's why it's enough of them never know.
So, alright, let me ask you. So, when the little girl born, your name, they go up on the birth certificate then?
Yeah, man. She still have my name up till now.
So, no, but so, there's no reason for them, not because the DNA shows you know you, that not supposed to stop them from make you get her.
No, me could have get her, but her mother me have to just love it.
Oh, the mother don't want you if you bring her come.
No, here I go on.
Because for any name upon the birth certificate, them don't make you do no DNA. They make you do
man.
They make you do DNA still?
And when me come off, here I go on. Never show you the fullness. It's like me no know. The mother know say Anna my youth from the get go, but me never know.
Yes.
It took me 12 years, you know. You see me? But by certain things, when I look back on everything, my sister should know, because some true me never did a meds it so deep. The things I should do, it's true me say Anna mine, but me never did a pre.
Yeah.
You see me? Like when before me leave, me sign up the paper, say yo, boo, go deal with the birth paper. I come off and she make the paper expire.
Oh, the paper go up on embassy.
No, the paper for the birth paper. You see me? So it's like that she fuck it up. I make my cousin take it out. The birth paper. She want and kill my cousin.
Sure.
Boom now. When I come to boom now, I have to deal with passport for the youth. A problem same way. I make her auntie take it out. She hate her auntie. But me now meds them thing the same way. I still appreciate my youth. You see me?
Yeah.
So when the DNA test now, me have a virgin still with the fly down. And come up and I tell people, say, yo, a jacket, so me I say, it can't be jacket. I'm my youth, you see me? So when me see the DNA test connect now, me I say, blood clot, the youth really attack the truth. Yeah, and we still deal with the youth, still got Jamaica and check the youth, carry down clothes and shoes, see me still get her money and thing. And then she are 14, so it's like one day me and her reason, you know? And me I said to her, so yo, tell me what you do that's bad. We don't want me to know. You know? So by me say that to her, me and her up on the FaceTime, me see her head bow, you see me?
Yeah.
So by her head bow, me I say, talk to me. So she start talk to everybody else in the room except me. So me I realize, oh, something not going on me nothing, you know.
Yeah.
But me can't even go to the mother, because the mother is a dog shit. So me just know say I that from this and from me sure that so it's like she just drift from me this, you know? So me say me not even too stress it neither. And the funniest thing, she still link my wife.
No man, I saw them stay, man. But if you make your wife know, say you should talk, because she scam your wife, you know that.
She can't scam my wife, man. Everything I virgin, everything I have to go through me. From them link my wife, me have to know.
Well, that good,
Everything
man.
I have to go through me. Them can't perform no stunt, man. From I get our born and growing, we go through that procedure. They will come a foreign, a college will come in.
Yeah,
we
man.
tell people, say, yo, if you're dumb a yard, you can't dumb abroad, you know.
That's true, man.
You see what I say? So that's why them not see enough you to them checks a dumb a yard, come up foreign, come get us subversive, and you come here, so come see what I go on and have to catch on. Because you have to read everything. And I like, yeah, you can just know, say, time, let's already done this and that, a GPS, enough things run here, so. So if you don't know if you read sign and read certain things, you get fucked, boy.
That's true, man.
You see me? It's a blessing time and all that. I give thanks to know the man star in person and up on the phone, because I always hear about the man and see the man like, you know, move through.
True. Because between me and them thing that you see Towel Cockburn Pen Waterhouse. I'm a father turf that, you know. So me know Uri and I'm a father, a friend from I see him PMP make Uri have to move from Jonestown, you know, go live in a labor community, you know. You never know. Yeah, man, them used every time them used to harass him, man, tax him. So that's why make him left and that's why Uri come live a cling. You think that
Okay.
yeah, man, Uri used to live on Setimo Street at Jonestown. I see him PMP man.
I never know all them things.
Yeah, I Jonestown they come from, man. So him and my father and them thing. All Josie Will and my father a big friend, and Charlie Chaplin, Rankin Joe. And so him and Uri a friend and them thing. That's why Admiral Bailey and them man know me.
Okay, cause Admiral, I'm a coach that still, you know.
Me know, man, because in time Pepe brother when we kill up here, what him name again?
Bongo.
Yes, when Bongo bury his son, you know, one of Pepe cousin, you know, and we don't want it, you know, and him supposed to go to jail, you know. And you understand, at the funeral, you know, the funeral procession, and me and Bobby they take him out and them thing there, and Admiral Bailey and Josie Will, because through them know me from my youth and them thing there, and them say, boy,
yeah,
make him come, and time we done, we carry him back on them thing there. We carry him come give you one spear and them thing there. Time they come from foreign to, you know, but him did want it still, you know. You understand?
Okay.
And them got a dove cut and them come back and him alright now still, you understand? But just how you treat people and them thing there, you know, see it? Yeah, man. Admiral Bailey, me know them man for a long time, man.
I grew up, you know, see them man there, and I was ball boy before me to reach up in the stage you can play, you know?
Yeah. I may show you all like funny and them thing there. You see, hey, just like what you say, may I tell you them thing. You see, cowboy and them man, them man, as much as them man scandal and all them man, they are friend. Them man not a friend because a friend, you know, because of money, you know. Although them a criminal, you know, money, you know. No, I tell you, so, just hear this now. When him just come on Hunsby, you know, I tell you this, you know, for your fuck, you know. When him just come on Hunsby, you know, we have a big book where we keep the photograph them of people where commit crime and them thing. And the man may I tell you this, you know. And ask me, a man put Josie Will picture inside there, you know, and tape it down, you know, right on a man name, you know, say man a gunman. So true, me know the man and them thing there. So I say, oh, if you put say Josie Will a gunman, him just coming up. Me say, look here, between me and you, me say, all of the things them you hear about Josie Will and them thing, I just hear your ear. Me say Josie Will never got jail in him life yet. You never hear say Josie Will shoot the body and them thing there. All of them things are just where people, you understand what I'm saying? You know see? Yeah. You understand what I'm saying? Although you don't know, him a step still doing it, but Josie Will is a man, if you don't trouble him cool, you understand? Because it's a cool,
right.
You know see? Yeah, man.
You have some man where defend the community different from man where
trouble people.
Terrorize the community.
Yeah, man.
That's a difference, you know.
Yeah, I look, I don't care all the police are going bad and all them things. You never hear them man the name of call up. It's just like, it's come like bounty killer and them things. No care what go on and see if you never hear. I see them people them from CV, you know, bounty killer left down there, you know. This, yeah, when born and grow with, you know, you think get the people easy, especially, you understand?
I'm going to give you a drama. Is that what you say?
Yeah.
A fact, because me there for almost 9 years before me go down.
Yeah.
And when me go down 2015, and when me go down, me see the people, deal with me. It's true, me a street youth, get a youth,
Yeah.
Oh, me see the people I deal with me as a youth, where them know work and play a ball before me left come a foreign. And oh, me see people I deal with me. Me just know say, yo, me glad that for America. Me say I kill no one kill me, cause Dan and boss people are style me. Suppose more as a youth now where mine was swell and get that as that draft enough youth in the get off to start buy gun and certain things as youth they are foreign.
Yeah man, I send it down on them things. But I any idea of life you are destroy. That, you understand?
Me can't do that thing. Me can't never do that, Virgin. Me never did a fire gun down there, so why me ever come a foreign and come send down gun?
That's I think on them. Alright. You see, alright, may I tell you this now. With me a police, you know. I have some family at Jonestown, you know, and one of them, you know, him dead now, you know. Yeah, man, the man said, the youth said to me, say, boy, hey, Chris, want money, find a gun, you can't bring one, come give me. So I say, give you a gun for what? I say, look here, if me go give you a gun and them thing there, you know what, a police are going to want that from you, or a man in our community, so you're going to end up dead, you understand? I say, what you need for study, read a book and them thing there and try to left out. He must say,
man. Enough people don't know that, Virgin.
Yeah, man.
Enough you get caught up in you, they are foreign. You send them money to buy a gun. People are going to talk, man, who you say, you're going to say, yo, at times, buy this panic and it go round. That's how people get mixed up. You see me? As I show you, so we are get to youth. You see me? We have a mind of our own. We could have get joined out because most of the youth, them are bad. Our friend them.
Most of them dead. You know, hey, what me looking at it is a madness for both say you want on bad man, you know, because look here. Remember say 95% of the time you don't have the gun upon you. Because the gun is illegal, you know. You understand? And you the people something, you know. So a man, you know, say same people them around in your community, and them same man inform upon the other man them to come kill you too, you know. You understand?
And how it a go now? Down there, and like back in the 90s, where if a man and a man are war, a man trouble your family.
No man, me say, how them sister, how boy start, the clansman them started, you know, CMP them again, you know. And them start, no man, hey, look here, man. I just saw it one of them thing that at them start, say PMP them start kill witness in a murder case. One boy named Christopher Brown from Payne Avenue. And he was a big batty man and a big rear admiral. I'm a Beanie man and Patrick Roberts is a part. Because that's the first year we go in a 93. You understand? A Jamaica Street. Me I tell you say, oh, stink of shit. Yeah man. At them I know say man a rear admiral and them thing like. You understand?
Crazy, man.
Yeah, man. At them man, that be a terrorism them go on with them thing there. Cause look, hey, if you listen to somebody think them with black man, you know, see man kill all him own cousin, and says that next man kill the man and then kill all other people. You saw man them wicked man?
I man them cool star. The man them if you can move the hope star a better Jamaica because knowing say you come a foreign star and leave your community where you know what I mean, and if you go back down there you have to dep on North Coast. It's just like you're still there foreign.
A true man for real. Because
you know what I say?
Right.
You know free up. You see what I say? Normally you could have gone in when back then foreigner come down.
Everybody glad to him come. Yes.
But 2 key and 2 man when bring come give them. No, you go down there now to give a man want kill you.
Yeah, a true man. For real.
Come on, I say a fool, you take him for and all of them things.
Like him saying it go work.
You see me? So, as I show you, so from I go down, but the first time then I see the settings, brother. Every time I go back down now, man, of course, man, who want to see me send a little one man go pick him up and me just link and brother, I tell a man say, Virgin, and I like say, yo, me throw stone behind me, boy, so when you get out of the ghetto, just stay out.
Yeah, man, self-preservation, man.
Yeah, because if you stay in there, you go lie down in there, you know?
Yeah, man.
And them things I learn.
Yeah, me have a Virgin who come from jungle, and him a police a Georgia and them thing there. And the man a police a American and him go to Jamaica, jungle him come from, you know. You understand? You know, see, the whole away and them thing there, although most of the hungry youth, you understand what they're on them, we used to hang out at corner Price Street and Penn Street in the 80s and them thing there. You understand? And time me go back there go live. And the man got Jamaica and them thing there. And you know, you don't know, most time, you know, say most time Jamaican always plan for God Jamaica like anytime after tax time. So you go down with that money and them thing there. And the man go down, yeah man, the man go down and about 7 grand and you know him go down and you know say as a reach, you know say every man we know you come check you know, so you have to give them a thing, you know, and him give them a clothes. And the man did and the man tell him say, yo, because string go peel off so the money them half our Kyle. Him say, yo, so man I plan to come rob you, you know.
You think that joke?
Yeah, the man tell me say him hard come my mouth. Cause him say, boy, yo, Chris, me say I this my born and grow, you know. Yeah man, the man say him left man and go up a Pegasus and them thing, and him, you understand, and left him mother and him sister them down there. Him say him now say him say friend that him say him go to Jamaica, him not going nowhere jungle or Jonestown.
Every time I go to Jamaica, now I'm going to check somebody, I mean, I'm going to come out of my vehicle. And my driver knows, say, yo, don't take a foot off of gas in it. Isn't it? Do not.
Yeah, man, them
wind down and talk to people, man. Nobody knows, me not come out of no car and talk to nobody. Window wind down and me give me a gear and me gone.
Hey, and look, I say tomorrow you have it forgive them tell you dead if you dead on them thing there, you know.
Me don't see them things. I worry for things you see, Ella. I was going to tell us I get our barn and go. You see me? So you see all, you see me?
Yeah, man.
You see all, man. You see all of who come a foreign and send down give people and the same set of people and they go down and look for you like, you never do nothing, nigga.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Them not
you see me? You never give me today. So where you at? You see me? I go through them things there too, man. You see me? So as me I sure you say, at the first time when I go back, I feel it and say, oh, people, terrible.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it? People, when I get today, I come back tomorrow and I show them some not staying away. It's like a problem. I should have it, figure them.
Them, man, they make up them face, man. Them ever tell us if you use all your credit card and send money, come give them, or you tell them, say, oh,
yo, when I'm a big man, brethren, come to me and I say, yo, dad, more your number. Man, international number. The man I said, you have something want. And me I said, this man is like him no want nothing. Me can't help you at Jamaica, my lad. So me say, yo, them mind narrow, you know? It's rough. It's rough, man. It's rough, me support. Me here talk about the Garvey bookstore where I them have to get down there for real, man.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, for real, man. You understand? The opinion and philosophy of Marcus Garvey. But me talk to me talk to you later. She send me a voice note on them thing there, you know, about the book them. So she not have all of them down there, you know.
Yeah, man. The youth them need for
yes, man.
Gather them brain star, cause it's sad and most of the youth them down there still where get caught up to where really chip all the youth them. Cause I go down there go see it start. As they like me see youth with cup in the answer special, my youth. The youth them head. You made down there messed up, man. Trust me.
Well, no, just listening to music. Me see all one of name Skeng and him a big rear admiral, you know. A man send me a video, you know, where a man have him pan him show, a man have him pan Skeng sit down pan the man shoulder, you know. And literally a wine pan the man head, you know. Yeah, man. Me I look for your video and post it in a Patreon. Me I say, wow.
Yeah, the youth time one, the youth them, cause Jamaica is a nice place,
hey, look.
Very nice.
Christopher Columbus, you know. Enough people don't know that, you know. Christopher Columbus writing in his diary when he visit Jamaica, you know. And Christopher Columbus say if it's a Jamaica, a prettiest place that must be Garden of Eden. You understand? So Christopher Columbus want to say, boy, a Jamaica, Adam and Eve. God put Adam and Eve the way the place pretty. You understand?
Yeah, man. Facts, man. The place nice, man. I just the youth them I know, you know.
The mindset of people them, man. But you don't know.
I know the 90s when really Sizzler them pop out and most youth as a righteousness as a Rasta know them thing that
yeah, man.
The youth them now live up, man. At them time they put and most time I pass through all the youth say I sweep up them corner and I wet up them flowers and I play them Sizzler and
I true, man, for real, man. I whole heap of youth me know it on Rasta them time there, you know. Sizzler and then later on a Lucian and them thing there.
Aye, the youth them no virgin. Nothing not there for the youth them all on pan, man.
Yeah, man, because music are garbage. And then Chronics now come bust and then, boy, the man them, because, you know, them, because to the people them with their own Chronics and them thing there. You understand? Portraiture and the man them say, boy, them. Said the other people them are rear admiral. And then because Chronics, him no come out and lick out against it and them thing there. You don't know them say silence is consent.
Yeah, that you know Jamaica. How things set up, man. It tough, man. I tell you, say it's rough. It's rough down there, man. But I love the youth them if you can looking at themselves out and know, say, yo.
But it have to start from the top still. You understand? A prime minister, you have to understand that. You have one political party in Jamaica and one criminal organization. The PNP and a political party is a criminal organization, you know.
Yeah.
May I tell you that? Yeah, man. The only political party of Jamaica is JLP. Yeah, man. The PNP is a criminal organization. Look, hey, our man, you know, your Mark Bowling say 8 year remand for people for commit murder and get parole and them thing there. So a murderer, yeah, so you know, as you know, right here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we're on Team Jamaica because we just want to island. That's it, you know, we want to island from the criminal enablers, supporters and beneficiaries. We know that we have a criminal organization which is the PNP LGBTQ plus party, and they have no intention of helping the other side, the labor rights them, which is a political party to get rid of, to reduce the crime in Jamaica. You understand? Number one, there are so many things that need to be done to reduce crime. One, we need to have a maximum prison. That's when the men are convicted of serious crimes, murder and stuff like that, you know, dangerous men. They are locked away in an underground prison where they have no contact to the outside world. Just like in Colorado. We know that the PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization will not side with the government to do that because, you know, their constituents are criminal-minded people. You have to remember, you know, that 98% of the people that were on death row are right now even in prison. If you do a poll analysis and they will tell you their background, 98% of the people in prison in Jamaica are PNP LGBTQ plus supporter and activists. I am not asking you, I'm telling you that. Because the only thing the PNP criminal organization know to do is to breed criminals. You could have vexed a little more. I'm just telling you because I am from the belly of the beast. And that is what they have done. They have been very, very successful in doing that, turning people into criminal good people. I remember every human being is born innocent, you know. So it's where you're socialized and cultured. So if you're not from strong, conservative background with, you know, especially with your parents, that is what's going to happen. You're going to fall right in it and your life is going to be destroyed. The average lifespan for a man from my community is 25 years. You understand? So a man lived to see my age is a blessing that to him. And that was a nice conversation we have with that young man. And it's really sad what really happened to him, you know, with him on Cowboy. You understand? But I am not surprised. Can you believe the man said to him, so you're going to look like if you come talk to me. Really. So. I hope you enjoy that conversation. You know, have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out. And another thing, just remember that all of these things that this man is saying, he's just talking from personal experience. We don't know him, we have never met him. And you understand what I'm saying? We just ask the questions and he answered. And Cowboy, I know him and he knew Cowboy because he's telling you the people that related to Cowboy. And you know that he's not hiding his voice. You understand? Because people, only criminal have something to hide, you know. I tell people that all the time. Have yourself a beautiful day again. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.